Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Netfly on your Amazon Fire Stick, step by step. If you've been looking for a simple app with a clean interface, smooth navigation, and an easy installation process, before we begin, I want to mention that this video is for educational purposes only. To comply with YouTube's community guidelines, I won't be opening or demonstrating any copyrighted content inside the application. This tutorial focuses only on the installation process. Now let's get started. First, make sure you're on your Fire Stick home screen. Move over to the search option and select it. Using the on-screen keyboard, type Downloader. When the orange Downloader app appears in the search results, select it. Now click Download or Get and wait a few moments while Downloader installs on your Fire Stick. Once Downloader has finished installing, we need to enable the necessary permission to install applications from outside the Amazon App Store. Hold down the Home button on your Fire Stick remote and open Settings. Next, select My Fire TV. Now open Developer Options. If Developer Options is already visible, go ahead and select it. If you don't see Developer Options, select About, highlight your Fire Stick device name, and press the Select button on your remote 7 times. After the 7th click, you should see a confirmation message that Developer Options have been enabled. Press the Back button and open Developer Options. Look for ADB debugging and make sure it is turned on. Next, open Install Unknown Apps. Find Downloader and make sure it is switched on. On some older Fire Stick software versions, you may instead see apps from unknown sources. If that option appears, simply turn it on. Once those settings are enabled, press the Home button and open your Apps section. Find Downloader and launch it. If this is your first time opening Downloader, select Allow when the permission request appears, then select OK if another message appears. You should now be on the Downloader home screen. Click inside the URL field and enter the following downloader code. Take a moment to make sure the code is entered correctly. Once you're ready, select Go. Downloader will now load the download page. Wait while the download page loads. When it appears, follow the on-screen instructions and select the appropriate download option to begin downloading the application. Once the APK finishes downloading, the installation screen should appear automatically. Select Install. Wait a few moments while the installation completes. When you see the app installed message, select Done instead of Open. Downloader will now ask if you want to keep the APK file. Since we no longer need the installation file, select Delete. You'll see another confirmation message. Select Delete again. This removes the unnecessary APK file and helps free up valuable storage space on your Fire Stick. Before we continue, I want to take a moment to recommend using a VPN. Whenever you're using internet-based applications or browsing online through your Fire Stick, protecting your privacy is always a good idea. A VPN encrypts your internet connection and hides your IP address, giving you an additional layer of privacy and security while you're online. For Fire Stick users, I recommend checking out NordVPN. It offers a dedicated Fire TV application, a large network of servers around the world, strong encryption, and an easy-to-use interface. NordVPN can also be useful if you experience certain network management issues from your internet provider. While a VPN cannot guarantee faster streaming or completely eliminate buffering, some users may experience a more consistent connection depending on their ISP, location, and network conditions. Another great benefit is that one NordVPN subscription can be used across multiple supported devices, including FireStick, Android phones, iPhones, tablets, Windows PCs, and Mac computers, depending on your subscription. If you'd like to check out NordVPN, I've included my special link in the video description. You can use that link to check the latest available offers and pricing. As always, make sure you use online services and streaming applications according to the laws and terms that apply to your location. Now let's get back to the Fire Stick. At this point, Netfly has been successfully installed. Press the Home button on your remote and open Apps. Scroll through your installed applications until you find Netfly. Select it to launch the application. Select it to launch the application. When the app opens, you'll be able to explore its interface and available features. As a reminder, I won't be demonstrating or opening copyrighted content inside the application. This video is focused on showing you how to successfully install the app on your Fire Stick. And that's it. Take care, stay safe, enjoy your Fire Stick, and I'll see you in the next video.